Welcome everybody. We're here for Beers at Breweries. We're in Anaheim at Brewery X. I'm here with Gage, one of the brewers. So tell us, it says here on the table you got founded 2018. It's about 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Who's the main brewer and tell us a little about it.
So our chief brewing officer is Trevor Walls. I am the head technical brewer. You know, we're very excited to just constantly crank through some beers and, you know, making some really nice, a wide variety of different beers, and it's a lot of fun.
What does the X stand for?
The X stands for sort of a crossing of paths between friends and different sort of journeys that, you know, it's X sort of marks the spot as where maybe two different sort of things sort of cross and become one.
Awesome. And if you haven't noticed, we got a great outdoor facility here for a Thursday afternoon. It's definitely one of the busier ones I've seen. Tell us, is this something that happened as a result of COVID, or was this always been here?
Yeah, so I mean, the facility itself is very large. We've always had a lot of room, a lot of capacity for a lot of people. And the outdoor spot here that you're seeing now was actually a bit of a result of COVID. And we were able to take advantage of this huge spot. Very nice to be able to utilize this large spot.
Cool. How often are you guys brewing here?
We are a 24/7 operation, Tuesday morning at midnight all the way through Friday morning. And then now we're actually getting ready to expand our production time from Monday all the way to Saturday.
And that just seems bananas to me for being a 3-year-old brewery. However, what's your annual capacity to be when you do that?
At the end of this year, we're expected to do somewhere between 17.5 and 18.5 thousand barrels.
That's a lot.
And I would assume going into the next calendar year, it might be a lot more.
That's cool. We're going to find out why they have such a large capacity, because you have their second anniversary beer in your beer club pack coming up. We have the Simmzy's Beer Club kit for October. Pulling out the beers that technical brewer Gage has made for us. We got the Rattlesnake Pilsners.
It's a really good, nice, crisp, sort of refreshing Bohemian Pilsner. It's a mix of Bohemian Pilsner malt and pale Pilsner malts. Lots of noble hops. It's pretty straightforward, nice, crisp, delicate, easygoing, very drinkable Pilsner. So
cool.
It's one of my favorite beers that we make here.
It's great. And I heard a rumor that the Rattlesnake name came from a snake pit they have inside where the snakes all go after each other.
Oh, yeah, there's enough brewery hoses around there where, yeah, definitely.
Up next, we got Pint Wacker Mosaic India Pale Ale. I'm sorry, I got to chuckle a little bit because it truly does look like a canister of balls. Can you tell us about that one?
Pint Wacker, it started off as an extra pale ale, and then we sort of tweaked the recipe a little bit and beefed it up to where now it's an all Mosaic West Coast IPA. Very good, very dank, still a little bit of those kind of, you know, fruity notes that you get in Mosaic. Mosaic is a great hop to work with. Lots of people love it and stuff, and it's a great beer.
Cool, awesome. And last but not least, second anniversary Slap and Tickle with pineapple. So just a heads up, Slap and Tickle is their flagship IPA that represents a lot of their brewing. So if you don't mind, tell us about Slap and Tickle and then the pineapple version.
Slap and Tickle, it's our flagship beer. It's our #1 selling beer. West Coast IPA, a little bit of rye, dry hopped with Citra and Mosaic. Pretty classic, West Coast IPA. And then for our anniversary, we decided to change it up a little bit, add a little bit of fruit. We used a bunch of pineapple. It's a nice, good, subtle pineapple. It's nothing too overwhelming, but at the same time, it's enough to where you know there's some pineapple there.
On their website, they talk about Brewery X, and they ask themselves the question, if I wasn't doing what I am doing now, what would I be doing? What would you be doing if you weren't doing what you do now?
I had actually made the decision in my last semester of college. I was studying for my LSAT. I actually wanted to go to law school, and then I got bit by the brewing bug. You know, I realized that I absolutely love this industry. It's an industry of passion. I have no regrets. I absolutely love my job. I love the company that I work for. But if I wasn't brewing beer, I might be an attorney.
Oh, thank God.
It's the last thing this world needs is more attorneys.
We definitely need more craft beer. Cheers. Thanks, Gage. Appreciate your time.